Hi pupils and welcome to the channel Tanya's Polyglot. In today's lesson we are going to learn adjectives. If you wanna know why it's important that you know adjectives, please stay.
Welcome to Language Adventure with Tanya. Imagine exploring the world through its languages. Picture yourself strolling past the Eiffel Tower, diving into the rich history of Germany, or savoring the vibrant culture of Spain. Each language opens a door to new experiences, friendships, and understanding. Whether you're mastering English, dancing to Korean rhythms, or savoring French cuisine, every word you learn is a step on this exciting journey. Let's embark on this adventure together and unlock the beauty of communication across the globe.
So you must be wondering, what is an adjective? An adjective, well adjectives in general, are words used to describe or modify nouns and pronouns. They provide more information about the noun or pronoun they modify, such as its appearance, color, size, quantity, or quality. Adjectives help make language more descriptive and precise by adding details to nouns and pronouns. So, let's learn some adjectives. Then we have few types of adjectives. Descriptive function. Adjectives describe the qualities or characteristics of nouns or pronouns. For example, in the phrase blue sky, blue is the adjective describing the color of the sky, right? In this occasion, we are trying to give a description of the sky, and it could be anything, any person, any animal. For example, here we have blue sky. I'm saying or describing with the adjective. In this case, the colors could be adjectives. The blue sky. I am giving a description of what? Of the sky. Then we have the usage. Placement. Adjectives typically come before the noun. They modify, for instance, in big house. Big is the adjective describing the size of the house. For example, here we have the house is big. Which house? This the house is big. I'm describing that the house is really big, right? Or I could say the house is small. It depends on the context. But you see, adjectives help us to give a description precise of an object, of a house, of a car, of an animal. Then we have comparison. Adjectives can also indicate degrees of comparison, right? Such as big, that is positive, bigger, comparative, and biggest, superlative, right? For example, here we have the house is big. The house is bigger, is more big than the last one, and the biggest is the plus big, right? The biggest house. Then we have here a list of adjectives of appearance, right? For example, in this list, you can give a description precise, especially of people, right? Like woman, men, girls, boys, etc. For example, we have here attractive, bold, beautiful. For example, men says, right, you are beautiful. Chubby, to describe the height of a person. You are a chubby boy, you are a chubby girl, right? Like big. Clean. You could also say he is a clean guy, right? But I think that I could use it in a context where I'm describing, for example, a space, right? The house is clean, dazzling, drab, Elegant, that man is really elegant, right? Fancy, fit, that boy is really fit, right? Those gym lovers could use this adjective. Fit, flavy, glamorous, gorgeous, handsome. That boy is handsome. My favorite actor is handsome. You see, we can make any description of someone with these adjectives. Then we have long. For example, my hair is long, right? Then we have magnificent, plain, plump, quaint, scruffy, shapely, short. When someone is tall and someone is short, we can compare. Then we have the skinny. She's a skinny girl. He's a skinny boy, and things like that. A stocky, ugly, unkempt, unsightly. So imagine that you are making a description of your girlfriend. She is beautiful, and in the case of girls, right, he's handsome. Oh, my boyfriend is handsome. Oh, my husband is handsome. My lover is handsome. I'm just giving some example, guys, of how you could use adjectives and why it's important that you know them, because they will help you to give a description of someone or something. Then we have here color adjectives. You see, colors, as I say from the beginning, could be used as adjectives. Why? Because it helps me to give a description, right? For example, we have ashy black, blue, gray, green, icy lemon, mango, orange, purple, red. For example, I could say, my lipstick is red, right? Salmon, white, and yellow. Any color. For example, if you want to say, my house is white, or the White House, right? And you are just giving a description with colors. With the colors, you can give a description of someone, something, animals, places. It doesn't matter. For example, we have here the beanie is red, the chicken is yellow. You see why it's important that you know also the colors? And if you don't know the colors, I recommend you to watch my last videos, and you will find there the colors. Do you see why it's important that you know the colors? Then we have the size adjectives, right? To give a description of something or an animal or someone that is big, short, small, tall, it doesn't matter. You will just give a description, right, of your person, of your pet, of your house, where you work, of your school, etc. For example, big. I could say, my house is big, right? Then we have colossal, fat, for example, big girls, right? Ah, when you want, but this is a little bit insulting, I think, because you are basically saying to someone, "Oh, you are really big, right?" And you say, "Oh, she's fat. Oh, he's fat." And be careful with the usage of them. Then we have gigantic, great, huge, immense, large, little. For example, you can say, my house is small. Then we have mammoth, massive, miniature, petite. This adjective, I could say that it was took from the French language because petite in French is small, but you can say petite, right? Then you have funny, scrawny, short, when you want to give a description of someone, right? Tall, short, small. For example, you can say, my dog is small, right? My boyfriend is tall. My mom is tall. You are giving a description that your mom is tall, or you could say, my mom is tall and my dad is short. Then we have teeny and teeny. Then we have here some examples. The giraffe is tall. The penguin is short. The giraffe is tall and the penguin is short, right? I'm giving a description of them with adjectives of size. So you see why it's important that you know everything. Then we have here taste adjectives, and you must be wondering what is taste. Um, but it's better if you ask yourself, what can I taste, right? What can I taste? For example, we can use this adjective list of taste with food, or who knows, maybe in another context. No, I'm just kidding. For example, we have here acidic, bitter, cold, creamy. Do you know what is creamy? The ice cream, right? Delicious. For example, you can say, the food that my mom makes is really delicious. Or the food was delicious. The pizza was delicious. Um, the fruits are delicious and things like that. Disgusting, right? When you don't like something and you say, oh, it was disgusting, right? Fresh, when you go to the supermarket and you touch the vegetables, right? And you see, oh, they're fresh. They come today. Then we have greasy. When you eat pizza and you have greasy in your lips. Something like that is you can describe. Like my lips was greasy when I finished the pizza, right? Then we have juicy, hot. For example, you can say, I need a hot chocolate. You know the difference, right? Not the bar, but to drink it. The hot chocolate. Then we have moldy, nutritious, naughty, putrid, rancid, right? When something has like 1 month on the refrigerator. No, I'm just kidding. It was rotten. Then we have ripe, rotten, you see? Salty, savory, sour, spicy. When you eat a lot of paper, right? It was spicy, spoiled, stayed, sweet. You can also use this adjective sweet to describe the mood of someone, right? Oh, it was sweet, babe. And just like that. Then we have tangy, tart, tasteless. Do you know what is tasteless? The eyes, because they don't have any savor. Then we have yummy, when something is really delicious. So do you remember the song of Justin Bieber? I get that yummy, yummy, and things like that, right? So yummy, when something is really delicious. And we have here other examples. For example, to describe the ice cream is sweet. Like this means like it has a lot of sugar on it, right? Then we have the lemon is sour. Who likes to drink lemonade? But with sugar, right? With that sugar is not delicious. So the lemon is sour. Hmm. We will make a quiz time now. So let's look up some examples. For example, I am given three descriptions of each of these images. For example, I can say the cup, right? It's a cup of coffee. It's a cup of chocolate. It is a blue cup. I'm describing what it has on it, the color, and I could also give a description of the coffee or chocolate. The coffee is hot. Then we have this little boy, and we can say, he's smart. Um, his shirt is brown. His smile is beautiful. Then we have the rainbow. It's a rainbow. It's colorful. That means that has many colors. It's magical and things like that, right? I hope that you understand a little bit better why it's important that we know adjectives because these help us to give a precise description of something or someone. Now, let me know down below in the comments if you understood. Give me one or two or three description of these images. For example, I could say the boy, right? He's handsome. He wears a white shirt. His hair is brown, right? I gave three descriptions of him. Now you give me one or two or three description of the bar of chocolate and of the little sheep. So thank you guys to watch this video. Give me a like and subscribe if you want to continue learning English with me, or if you want to improve your English. If you have friends or family or classmates who wants to improve or study for a test or learn or improve their English, don't hesitate and send this video. And I hope that you subscribe, guys. That will help me a lot to continue creating this kind of content for you. That will help me a lot. And if you have any doubt, or if you would like to study any topic, or to see, I don't know, a different topic, um, if you need assistance or help with, write me down below in the comments, and I'd be more than glad to help you to understand that topic that you need to learn. Thank you.